Alright, today I want to make a quick video of how to reset this maintenance required light on this 2002 Honda CR-V. This is after you do the oil change. This is a reminder saying that you have to do the oil change. So after the oil change, you might want to reset that. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go ahead and turn the engine completely off. There's two buttons here. This one's for your dimmer. Then this one's for your trips. We're actually going to go ahead and hold this down and then turn the car on. And as you can see, it flashed once, and we're just going to continue to hold that down, and there it goes away. Go ahead and release it, and you're set. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Whoa, my thumb don't fit.